Good morning. I'm Dr. Tiffany Lamond from Lamond Wellness, and today I thought, since I already started, I would show you how I make my homemade laundry detergent. So I had a hysterectomy like 9 days ago, so I'm not going to do the grading myself. So I've recruited my sister-in-law to help me with that. But if you're going to make a big batch, this could not be easier. You need 1 box of washing soda, 1 box of borax, and 3 bars of Fal's naphtha soap. And you're going to grate the Fal's naphtha, mix it all together, and you've got homemade laundry detergent. And we've been using this for years now. And this is what we keep our laundry detergent in, but also I'm going to be making some small gifts today. Made a couple. So we made 1 big batch already, and we're going to start our 2nd big batch, and I thought I would just kind of show you the process of putting that all together. All you really need for equipment is we use 2 big bowls, one to grate what looks like cheese, it's just soap, and then we mix it all in the bigger bowl. We have a big spoon that we use to mix it together, a funnel to put it into the different mason jars, and this is how I scoop it out of the bowl. It's pretty simple stuff, actually. Say hi, Maggie.
Hi.
So Maggie is going to show you how we grate the soap. Now there are more efficient ways to do this. We use just a hand grater, but we're in the process of getting a food processor, which will make this way faster. Are you excited about that?
So excited.
Because this is quite a little workout. So she's going to do 3 bars of soap like that. How's your hand doing, Maggie?
Doing great.
Have you lost any skin yet?
Nope. Don't think so. I'll start laughing.
Hey, did I make that?
Yeah, you sure did. Yep, it was definitely you.
I don't think so.
Not me, it was definitely you.
So Nathan's now going to open the 2 boxes, and he's going to try and sort of semi-pour them out together and mix them into that bowl. It doesn't really matter because we're going to mix it with a spoon, but can you tell it's usually me who does this? Oh, you're doing great. That's perfect. This is brother and sisterly love. The cool thing about the packaging of this is those are both recyclable. So there's really minimal waste in terms of like long-term waste. There's no plastic. There's just the wrapper of the bar soaps and then the cardboard boxes of the washing soda. Unfortunately, I don't think the paper on the soap is recyclable because it's waxed, I think. Let me take a look. Unclear if it's recyclable. A couple of little tips that can help with the soap as well is if it's cold, it comes out easier in terms of like in pieces, and you can also crumble it and make them smaller to put in the laundry detergent. And obviously a food processor with a shredder is way faster. So I've asked Nathan to be jovial while he's doing this. So right now he's breaking up some of the clumps, and if I let him, he'll do that for the next hour. So that's good.
So pause your video and come back in an hour.
Now take it looks like cheese when you grate it, and then you're gonna take that and mix it in with this. And I have found the most effective way to mix it is to put it in.
I'm waiting for the effective way. Hang on.
Put it in and then scoop from the bottom of the bowl with the spoon. You just did this, you know. I don't know, he's just making stuff up. This is fine, it doesn't matter. Oh, Nathan. So it looks like you're making like something with cheese in it.
Wish it was.
And so he's scooping down and kind of pulling up to the top. I have found that to be the most effective way to mix it together. Once it's thoroughly incorporated together, then I'm going to put it into the containers. Are you almost done?
Get in there.
Ow, ouch. Oh, it's hard to laugh when you've just had your stomach cut open. This is going to be very uniform. It's perfect, babe. It's perfect. I love it. Thank you. Oh, those of you who know us, one of the most amazing things about my husband is his precision. He's extremely precise. And in his precision, he's often hamstringed by the process. I am a hot mess and very imprecise, which is great in creative endeavors. Like, okay, here's a great example. Come here. So Nathan would never have done this. I, without paying attention, overfilled it. So I'm gonna pull this out, and if I don't put it over the bowl, it would have gone everywhere. But I did pay attention this time. See, I was better. He would never do that.
Normally it would have happened everywhere. I'm rubbing off on it.
So what I'm doing is I'm just scooping into these, and I'm going to make these into little gifts for people, and then I'm going to make cards, like little tags that teaches them how to make it for themselves, and these will be like little, just little gifts, you know. It could be little Christmas gifts, it could be, I don't like that one, that one's got a sticker on it. They could be like little gifts for a hostess gift or something like that, simple stuff. So these are all unscented, but if you wanted to scent them, you have a couple of options. One, you can put any essential oil or essential oil blend that you like. I have a few that I like. I like lavender, I like grapefruit, I like thieves oil scents. And then if you don't want to put that in the laundry detergent, you can also put essential oil on wool dryer balls and put it in the dryer, and it will gently scent your laundry as well. Last, I thought I'd tell you how much we use. So this scoop came out of a protein powder container, so you could use something like that, but I've measured it, it's 1/4 cup. So 1/4 cup per large load. Obviously reduce it for smaller loads. And that is our homemade laundry detergent.